11 minutes. Last time it was like 14.
Oh shit, we have a plat healer.
Good.
You see that?
Yeah, maybe the healer yell at the tanks to actually get their asses in gear, which would be nice.
I'm gonna play Zenyatta. Oops, shit. I'll switch if it doesn't work.
It's a perfect time
Attackers
for some
incoming in
mayhem.
30 seconds.
A lovely day for
My ultimate is charged.
Are people in group chat? Why is nobody in group chat?
Wanna team
Because
up?
they're all new.
Not
so
if
they
you were the
probably
last
don't
human on Earth.
know. So,
greetings.
they said, considering your shield is kind of,
Five,
it's not very
4,
powerful, why don't we try to
3,
find some natural
2,
cover where we can
1. Attackers
hold.
incoming.
Group up with me.
Defend objective A.
Oh no, I'm dead. I'm switching. I'm already switching. Is that? How the fuck did she hit?
I don't know. Maybe it was the last
I already see this going south. I'm coming back to point. Fall back, Trig, if you.
I went for the revive.
God damn it! Every fucking time that fucking robotic fuck had to shoot me 5 times. Trig, don't. Can we stop dying to the Hanzo, please? Thank you. She's on my ass. She's on my ass. She's on my ass. Somebody help me, please. Nobody fucking helped me, man. I literally said it 5 times. Come on.
They're inaccurate. I can't because their team is stupid. We were all crammed into one area. I can't do anything.
I called it out 5 times.
There's nobody's in chat except for the front tank.
Why the fuck do people play this game if they're not gonna get in fucking chat? It's like an airline pilot not putting on his headset. You know how stupid that is?
Well, my bombs are inaccurate, so I'm kind of shit out of luck. Plus, I'm like,
God, this. We need to kill the goddamn Echo. The Echo. The Echo. The Echo. Jesus Christ, the Hanzo and the fucking Echo. And now she's about to die.
I got the ammo. I'm gonna have to pick something else.
I fucking hate this Echo. Can we kill the Echo? We can't kill the Echo. I'm fucking switch.
Can you shoot her? I'm gonna try to shoot her.
No, everybody keeps dying to the fucking Echo. And Hanzo. Watch, he's gonna die. Soldier's gonna die any second now.
Tactical goggles.
Bless you.
Thank you, Trig, for doing something. Jesus. Can we kill the Echo? Jesus Christ! Is she fucking hacking? Because like every one of her little like balls of energy is hitting, like with almost perfect accuracy. We have to help our healers out, guys. We just gave it the fucking payload.
Oh, I'm a line of sight.
Can't kill the fucking Echo. Can't kill the fucking Hanzo.
Trying to, Bob. Stop complaining. I'm trying to hear. Please. Take a different deal. Take a loot deal. Take something faster so I don't hear you in my ear so I can concentrate. I'm not having that shit. Sorry.
God damn it.
Nothing wrong with a little
Because the other guy's got Soldier 76.
Not doing jack shit. He keeps running out. I wish he was in chat. Jesus Christ! How does he die when I have fucking ult on him? He's dead. You're doing work. I'm not fucking yelling at you. I feel like I've dodged like 4 atomic bombs by now.
I want to get you for that.
We're all
Yeah, our fucking doing about as much. How are we up so far? We have an active now.
This will heal.
There we go, perfect.
get over here and heal up.
Echo probably has ult again. Hey, are you getting hit by almost every shot that she shoots?
Get stabilized.
Oh Jesus!
You look tired.
This fucking CNR is
I've got you in my sights.
about as useful as a fucking ITT tech degree. I'm dead. I'm dead.
I'm legally blind. Oh, Creed is 1 health.
Not dead yet.
I didn't see him because I was getting shot by everything. Watch out! Watch the Moira behind, in the very back. Moira behind in the very back.
I'm legally blind.
Look, back up, dude. Back up. Back up. Back. I want to keep you alive.
Nano boost is ready to deploy.
Charge.
Huh?
Everyone, heal up.
That Echo is fucking good. Is she flat? No, she's both. We lost one of our healers. Why does she keep running out there? Back up. I'm basically out of healing here.
I'm legally
Fuck!
blind.
I almost have my ult. Got the Echo. Fuck! Suck my dick. They res that fucking cock.
Complete.
So,
5, 4, 3, 2,
Take the
1. Attack commencing. Capture objective.
Watch, they're not gonna use the right flank. They're gonna use their. Why are we standing back? Oh my god. Wait, we literally, are you kidding me? I'm out of healing. I'm out of here. Jesus Christ.
This old dog's learned a few tricks.
Why is this guy not backing out? Jeez. Are you fucking...
Take the objective.
Fucking nerf the fucking Moira.
Adaptive circuits engaged. Reinhardt.
Why the fuck? Get the Sigma, please! That's okay, I'll do it.
It's
Fuck! Fuck!
yet.
Can we get this fucking gay ass cowboy on the point?
I'll feel sad in the morning.
I've had about enough of this
You're gonna
flying
have to play-
asshole.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to. I'm trying to get around, but the stupid fucking.
It's not you. It's the fucking other DPS in our shit tank. They keep fucking not communicating. Like, who the fuck doesn't come in the fucking group chat? It's not that hard. If you're, oh my god. Do you realize that people in fucking World War I probably had better communication than we do right now?
But these kids they're stupid and they don't listen.
Don't worry, my friends.
Are you gonna
Step
walk
right
up,
up.
stupid? You gonna fucking walk, please?
Why is he standing? Why do they fucking stand there until the shield goes down? Then they decide to push in.
Enemy seen.
60 seconds.
This oh.
I wonder if
Wait. I swear to Christ.
I've got you in my sight.
Why does he charge when he's not supposed to charge? Then he fucking stands back when he should charge in. I have a fuck. We have a Winston? Why do we have a Winston? They have a Roadhog.
Sick transit.
oh my god. Oh yeah, I can
come
do
on.
it. Like, he just keeps standing there. Use the flanks, you fucking idiot.
I know! Holy fuck! Watch out the back. Watch out the back. McCree in the back. Idiot cowboy. Get this. Yeah, not today, asshole. Not today.
Get out of my way or I'll run you over.
I can't believe we just got that shit.
Objective A captured. Escort.
I'm moving the payload.
Oh my god. Really? Who fucking said that?
The fucking ball said that.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Not my fault, you fucking stupid.
Oh my god.
Literally fucking stupid.
This guy had.
Adaptive circuit engaged. McCree. Stupid.
I have dodged probably 20 ults.
It's time.
This can't be fucking. Oh yeah, you're the one who sucks, but he keeps getting killed. That makes a lot of fucking sense.
Oh god, he knocked him into me. He killed us all.
Who? Why do we have a Winston? I still don't get this. We need to push forward. Push forward.
60 seconds remaining.
God, this Winston.
My ultimate is almost. I've got you in my sight.
This Winston is seriously not useful.
They're both dumb. So I just
I don't do
I
it
said
till
to walk
the
up
fight's
the fucking
done.
stairs. He goes into the enemy every single time. Walk up the stairs means walk up the fucking stairs. Don't
fuck?
stand there and hold the
30
kill
seconds.
to the blade.
Fucking gold medal for that shit. Are we not gonna touch the point?
Adaptive circuits engaged. Wrecking ball. 10 seconds
I think you're fucking close.
shit.
He's running the same I can't get
Who?
He's doing the same thing. can't get close. We keep walking.
I'm trying to.
Disorder. My teleporter
Fucking
is
perfect.
Fucking stupid tank.
I have gold. I have silver. I have silver
All we had
elims.
to do was take our stupid ass tank to go up the stairs, but he just stands there with his shield up. You just go up the fucking stairs. Then he stands there, gets shot, and then backs up. Just walk and hold the shield. There's literally cover that takes us all the way around. He keeps charging. and he keeps flying back.
Sing for me!
Double kill.
That's fucking pathetic.
That's fucking stupid. And like to a certain point, you think after the 5th time he would stop charging in. And I know I'm terrible, but like positioning makes up for that if you're not an idiot. You can't just walk in. That's just dumb.